Building.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
I do have Mr. Hero here.
All right.
The sovereign citizen.
All right, Chair. I'm Attorney Josh, I believe, appearing on behalf of my client, Ms. Katrina Miller.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good morning. Give me just a minute. Ma'am, I'm going to get you on the Harrow file in just a minute. I'm going to hear what you have to say. Just give me a second. Go ahead, counsel.
This one, I have a chance to review PSI, no factual additions, deletions, corrections to make. Everything on here is accurate. We would also agree with the recommendation as provided by the probation department and ask the court to adopt that. My client stands before the court. This is the one and only blip in her entire life having any kind of contact with the criminal justice system, really anything even related to alcohol or drug use or abuse. I know she wants to address the court directly. And I'll
Should.
get up way here.
Okay.
When I talk to people, the first day we met, my client came to me, I mean, just a crumbling emotional mess just because of her, I would say, disappointment with herself, for a lack of a better way to say it. She's going to be tougher on herself and has been through this than I think anybody else would or could. And when I see that, that gives me that kind of message that we're all looking to see, which is, did you get the message?
Yeah.
Did you get this one, that this was your whoopsie, your one?
Right.
Because the life only gets harder and more difficult with these types of things. So I gotta say, she has not had any alcohol, any drugs, anything the whole time she's been on bond through this process. Accordingly, Your Honor, we don't see a non-supervised type of situation. But if there's a candidate that would be the right fit, we would be this.
Okay. Your turn.
Sure.
Your Honor, I would like to say this was an eye-opening event. I have utilized my time and growth in order to be able to emotionally make better choices and not have this mistake.
Okay. All right. I was concerned by a couple of things I saw in the report. Number one, you couldn't specify what you made on your job, and you couldn't specify how often you use marijuana. Those seem to me to be pretty easy answers to questions. Okay.
Specific amounts I work overtime.
Okay. Okay. So I don't care if you give it to me hourly, weekly, give me an idea of what kind of money you make. Okay. And your marijuana use, what's that look like?
Last 4 months, as that before that, when I'm making it occasionally, it wasn't regularly.
Okay. All right. Anything else, counsel?
There, we kind of addressed the issue with the kind of standardized tests we didn't quite hit on. I think the clarification helps. I did know that the ACE score was good, or her needs assessment was good. Again, what we would hope to see in this week. So, yeah, we would have support as we said before to send this Miller out with the lesson learned and her fines and costs and any other sanctions that the court thinks probably be appropriate since then.
All right. Thank you. I'm going to go along with Ms. Feroli's recommendation. No probation, just fines and costs $1,200. Go downstairs, talk about your options, get some kind of plan in place before you leave the building. Good luck to you. All right, ma'am, go ahead and put your name on the record. Reference Nico Harrell.
My name is Taylor Fredero.
All right, and I'm confused as to why you're here.
Okay, I am the victim in this case.
Which case? Because I got a number of files on him.
And
I don't have any assaultive crimes.
Then I don't know why I received a victim advocate letter.
Oh, you know what? I think I got you wrong. I got the wrong stack of files. Harrell is the guy you're here for?
Yes.
H?
Yes. Correct.
And I don't have a file. Is he on the docket today?
Yes, he has the whole staff.
I got a Waddell.
Wardell,
no.
Nico
No, hold on.
Wardell.
I got
Wardell
one
is his
Harrell
middle
file.
name, sir.
You should have a white one.
No,
If you can. Oops, got lost.
no. All right, I don't have that file, ma'am. I got like 7 other files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 4 misdemeanors and 5 civils. But go ahead and put your comments on the record, ma'am. He didn't show up today, so we'll be issuing a bench warrant.
Okay, this would have been regarding, him smacking me 3 years ago on our daughter's birthday. At a custody exchange this past Saturday, he held me hostage. He spit all over me in front of our daughter. I just don't want to have to deal with him anymore. I
Yeah.
would like
Are
to
there
have no
charges
contact
pending on
order.
that?
I'm
Were
sorry,
the
what was
police
that?
involved Saturday?
I called the police twice and they did not answer. I don't know what happened.
Where did
He
this take
eventually
place?
let me leave
Where did this take place?
in Romulus, right in front of his house.
All right, then I would suggest you go to the Romulus Police Department and make a report.
Okay.
All right?
Um,
So your comments are on the record. As I said, there'll be a bench warrant issued for his arrest because he didn't show up today for the court
Okay.
date.
okay.
All right? But
Okay.
definitely make a report.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Oh, hold on a minute.
4-0742.
Jamie,
Yes, sir.
can you see if Mr. Harrell's out in the hallway?
Harold?
Harrell, Harrell. First name Nico.
Not Tim.
I do have the actual case number that I'm involved in, Your Honor.
Oh,
if
we
you'd
got
like it.
that. It just
Okay.
didn't get pulled with all the other files. We got it in the system.
Okay.
Mr. Bowditch, what do you got?
A-E.
Neely?
Yes.
Give me just a minute, man. We're checking to see if he's in the building. Have a seat, Mr. Harrell. I'm gonna call you up in just a minute. Do you want to talk to an attorney, sir?
He is being now.
Oh, all right. That's fine. That's, finish up. Mr. Bowditch.
About the spirit company happened and Mr. Dave Neely. Your Honor, Steve is 8 times set for sentencing in this matter. There was nothing I had to review. We're presenting ourselves.
Yeah, I've got 3 different files. One is possession of an unregistered firearm, and then 2 are driving related, no valid ops. Let's see. Yeah, he was set to do work program and pay fines and costs. He hasn't made any payments and he hasn't signed up for his work program. According to our records, he owes us $1,154 as of June 9th. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Work at the airport, amenities. I just got in there 2 weeks in, 2 weeks going to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Was that a restaurant? No, airport.
Airport, like a barber shop.
No, airport.
Airport. Okay.
There.
Okay.
Badge, I just missed trying to get my badge.
I don't care. Why haven't you done the work program?
I didn't know about where.
I ordered it as part of your sentencing, the same time I ordered your fines and costs that you haven't paid. So why haven't you paid your fines and costs?
A job.
When'd you get the airport job?
I think it was where this month? Yeah.
Okay, so prior to that, you weren't working? All right. So are you in a position to do something on all this money? Can you get some kind of payment plan set up? All right, and are you in a position to bang out your 4 days so we can be done with that? 4 days work program.
Oh, yeah.
You pick the schedule,
I mean, they didn't want to get out.
but you pick the days. Monday through Saturday, you just pick 4 days. Okay. All right, go down and schedule 4 days and get some kind of payment plan set up. Don't make me see you again on these. Good luck. Do you got anything else ready, Ms. Bowden? What? Hold on, she said to get sentenced to.
These are 2 sentences.
Why? Since when do I schedule sentencing by no-ups?
Because you wanted I think he said you wanted a lifetime for a little while, so we kept this guy. My mom has this phone pass, he's got.
Grab him, grab him.
Sir, yeah, 3 months, still more time, just come on.
Oh, yeah, Dad's not with him.
Oh, yeah, no. Where's the market file you said that? Is that the white one? We files that you said. No, you didn't pull, did you pull the warranted files on them? Yeah. No, there's a warranty file.
Are you ready on Harold?
Who?
Harold, I got a victim online. All right.
Just here for show cause on work program. What is the victim about?
The problem on his domestic violence file.
Okay, there is nothing on the packet that mentions.
Okay. Mr. Bowditch, you need to have, Mr. Bowditch, have a conversation with that young man. He's got 2 files to be sentenced on today because I've given him 2 chances to come back and give me a plan. Last time you were here, your dad asked me to give you some more time to come up with a plan, right? Right? Yeah, but I don't know what it is because we didn't talk about that. So you got 2 files you got to be sentenced on. What we just dealt with is the file you'd already been sentenced on. You already owed money and work days on. So you got 2 new files, no valid operator's license person. All right, is he bringing up the file?
He said find the file.
Okay, all right, so I got a victim online, there's an allocation, there's a violation as of Saturday this week. What was scheduled for today is the show cause on all of these.
So
He was given the chance to do community enrichment program to take care of some of his fines and costs because he's into us for over $4,000. April 13th, he failed to appear for the work program. April 20th, failed to appear for the work program. And so far he's done 0 of 5. So he hasn't paid any money. He hasn't done any days that we gave him a chance to take care of the money that way.
good news is he's gotten a job.
Where? Aunt Millie's. The bakery? How many hours a week? When'd you get the job?
This will be my 3rd grade.
Okay. All right. So why haven't you been able to do any work program?
So really originally trying to look for the job because I was working at a car wash. For my own car wash, but that was making no sense. Then
How did that stop you from showing up for the scheduled work program?
the first day I was told even with that that's why pay. I got child support case going on. You see that domestic violence case 3 years ago. Now that I'm trying to get custody of my child, now you trying to bring this up, trying to do all this allocation and stuff. It made my life hard.
Okay, let's not talk about the domestic violence while we're talking about all this.
I can't make excuses. I'm not making excuses.
Yeah, I'm asking, he is working, but he gets days off, so I'm asking that the work program be.
I got my work. I got my work.
That the work program be reinstated and that we set up a payment plan with the understanding if he doesn't pay on time, then he's looking at jail time. Can't just not pay, that's totally for.
Especially when the court gives you the option to just do work program instead of $4,000. So I'm gonna send him back to Avery on these for community enrichment, see if he can start to make a dent in this. Have a seat until we get the domestic violence file up here, because I don't have the file yet. I just know this woman showed up today and I asked her why. So let me,
Appropriate for her to skip probation or something? Is he not on probation?
I don't know,
For-
because, okay, nobody's asking you a question. You're better off not talking. So let me get my hands on the file and then we'll talk again. I might have to just schedule this on a Tuesday when the prosecutor's here. I don't know. All right.
He's supposed to be here at 9:40.
Show up.
What do you got?
I have Mr. Bay.
Yeah, let's take care of the sentencings. Come on up, Mr. Bay. I'll get to you. I'll get to you. All right. So
The Sovereign Citizen.